Hi, I'm Joshua Karsh, lead draft tech with Frank Beer, and today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and fix or replace a faucet. If it's leaking from the back side where the faucet connects, take your spanner or faucet wrench, put it in the eyelet, and turn left to tighten. If it's still dripping, uncouple your keg. Make sure you uncoupled the correct keg. Now we're going to spin it to the right to remove the faucet. Check to make sure your seal on the back is okay. If it has a nick in it, replace it. While you have it apart, check the rest of your faucet to make sure everything looks good. Just one washer inside and the one washer on the back, and make sure your vent holes are clean. If everything looks good, put it back together. Tighten to the left. Make sure the faucet is off, and then retap your keg. Pouring good and no leak.